7 flat stomach workouts for beginners. There are so many ab exercises to do, but none are more effective yet easier to follow than these 7 flat stomach workouts for beginners. Do them all in succession, or simply choose the ones you like so you can soon enjoy flatter abs. 1. Cross arm crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet planted on the mat. Cross your arms over your chest so your right hand is above your left shoulder and your left hand is above your right shoulder. Getting power from your abdomen, lift your upper body from the mat. Make sure you don't strain your neck and shoulders. Hold your position at the top of the movement before lowering yourself to the starting position. Repeat this for as many times as you can within 1 minute. 2. Reverse crunches. Lie on your back with your legs lifted and knees bent at a 90-degree angle, so that your legs look like they're resting on a box. Keep your elbows bent, tucked close to your body, and your hands resting close to your ears. Simultaneously, lift your upper body and tuck your knees towards your chest. Then lower your upper body back down while stretching your legs out into the air. Return to your starting position. Repeat as many times as you can within 1 minute. 3. Russian twists. Sit on the mat with your knees bent and feet planted firmly on the floor. Lower your back down a bit, just until you feel that your abdominal muscles are holding you up. Lock your hands together, twist to the right and lower your hands down towards your right hip. Return to your starting position and repeat for the left side. Keep twisting side to side until your 1 minute timer runs out. 4. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your legs stretched out and your hands locked together behind your head. Tuck your right knee in towards your chest. At the same time, lift your upper back so that your left elbow meets the right knee. Slowly lower yourself back to the starting position. Repeat so that your left knee meets your right elbow. Repeat for as many times as you can for 1 minute. 5. Mountain climbers. Start by lying on your stomach. Then hold yourself up as if doing a push-up. Your hands should be firmly planted on the mat right below your shoulders. Bend your right knee and tuck it towards your chest while keeping your left leg straight. Simultaneously, straighten your right leg and bend your left knee to tuck it towards your chest. As quickly as you can, alternate tucking the 2 legs in. Do as many repetitions as you can within 1 minute. 6. Bird dog. On a mat, hold yourself up on all fours so your knees are bent and your arms are stretched below your shoulders. Stretch your right arm out in front of you while stretching your left leg out behind you. Go back to starting position. Do the same for the left arm and right leg. Repeat for as many times as you can for 1 minute. 7. Planks. Start by lying on your stomach. Then hold yourself up using your forearms and your toes. Keep yourself stiff and straight, like a plank, making sure you don't sag. Hold this position for 30 seconds. These 7 flat stomach workouts for beginners are easy to follow. However, they could feel intense when you're just starting in the beginning. Remember that it's always more important to do the movements correctly rather than doing many repetitions. Just keep at it and you'll soon enjoy a flatter, firmer, and stronger stomach. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.